Hello, welcome to the WUDC Distinguished Lecture Series. In these talks, we aim to spotlight exceptional speakers with unique perspectives on the world. Each talk consists of three elements. Firstly, the speakers will present their topic and the research, work, or experience in the field. Secondly, the speaker will connect the topic to debating. Thirdly, a Q&A section that will wrap up the talk. The first season revolves around feminism and gender and was organized in cooperation with the Gender Open Competition. Should the community show liking to this content, we will expand the series to other domains and invite more members to participate. Please subscribe to this channel and leave comments if you'd like to support this content. We thank the speakers in the series and everyone involved in the production for their huge contributions. We hope to see you in Lecture 1.